Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna do the unboxing and full review for the new Huawei Freebuds 6i. As you can see right now, I have the purple color. I'll do the unboxing and we'll see what comes inside the box. So let's get started. So here we have the Freebuds itself, which comes in the purple color as we can see, and it really looks amazing with this glossy finishing. Also we have here extra ear tipped, which it comes with large, medium and small size. And here we have the charging cable, which is type C to type A cable. So the first impression that the Freebuds 6i is very lightweight, as you can see guys. And also each bud itself, it looks amazing with that glossy finishing. And also I think it's similar size of the Freebuds 5i. The only difference is this, they add here, I think this is a speaker in the top here and the sensor on the right side. But in terms of weight and design, it's almost the same. So the Freebuds 6i comes here with in-ears design. In-ears means this ear tips, it comes inside the box with the Freebuds, unlike the Freebuds 4 or Freebuds 5, which it comes with open fit design. And also it comes here with the 11mm quad magnetic dynamic driver. And also the good thing here, it comes with the intelligent dynamic active noise cancellation 3.0, which it comes the same noise cancellation with the Freebuds Pro 3. Also it comes with 3 mics for the call noise cancellation. So guys, it has the AI call noise cancellation, means if you are doing phone calls and you have noise around you, the mic here will pick up only your voice and it will cancel all the noise around you. And the good thing also in this Freebuds 6i, you can connect it to devices same time. For example, if you are having 2 phones, you can use the Freebuds in both phones same times. And if you are watching video or listening music in one phone and you got a call in another phone, the Freebuds 6i will switch automatically to attend the call, and after that it will go back to the previous device. And if you'll be talking about the battery life here, the Freebuds 6i, it lasts up to 36 hours. Now I'm talking about the case itself, it will last up to 36 hours, but for each buds it lasts up to 8 hours with the active noise cancellation off. And it supports up to HD voice recording. And in terms of touch gestures, the Freebuds 6i, you can control the volume by swiping up and down, and also by double tap you can answer the call or you can cancel the call. Plus also for long press you can activate the noise cancellation, and also it has the awareness mode plus also the normal mode. So that's amazing guys. The Freebuds 6i, it can work with any device, iOS or Android as well. And there is application which is AI Life. With this application you can check more about the Freebuds, you can update it, you can change the touch gestures. Plus also you can check the battery life for the Freebuds. Also the Freebuds 6i comes here with IP54, which is splash, dust and water resistant, and we are talking here about the Freebuds itself, not the charging case. So if you use it under the rain, in the gym, this kind of stuff doesn't make any problem with the Freebuds 6i. So that was a quick review about the Freebuds 6i. I will make another video to talk in deep details after I will use it, about the battery life, about the sound quality, even in the calls, how it works. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.